This is Motor Vessel Ocean Star. BTA station, this is Motor Vessel Ocean Star. Call sign 9HA1234 on BHF Channel 16. Request traffic information and entry clearance to encourage area Alpha.
This is BTA station, Motor Vessel Ocean Star. This is BTA station. Traffic in your vicinity. 1 tanker ahead. Range 2 nautical miles. Course 090. You are cleared to proceed to anchorage area Alpha. Report and answer.
This is Motor Vessel Ocean Star. Roger, proceeding to anchorage area Alpha will report when anchored. Motor Vessel Ocean Star out. This is Motor Vessel Ocean Star. BTA station. This is Motor Vessel Ocean Star position 12 degrees 34 minutes north, 045 degrees 21 minutes east. Request weather update and any navigational warnings.
This is BTA station, Motor Vessel Ocean Star. This is BTA station. Gully warning in your area. 146 expected from northeast. Navigational warning. Drifting container reported at position 12 degrees 36 minutes north, 045 degrees 25 minutes east.
This is Motor Vessel Ocean Star. Receive galley warning and navigational warning. Will keep sharp lookout. Motor Vessel Ocean Star.